Hey diamonds, I'm back with another quarantine tutorial. So the topic is, does airbrush really work? So I'm going to start this by putting on some concealer to brighten under my eyes. And the second concealer that you see me using this around my mouth, that is more to my complexion. And that is by Black Opal, I'm sorry. And I'm just using my finger to warm that concealer up around my mouth area in the areas where I get a little bit darker. Up next will be the foundation that I will use. The airbrush system that I'm using is by Tim2, as well as their airbrush color. So you have to really shake this up. Shake it like a salt shaker. That's my handy dandy airbrush gun, and I'm loading it up with the foundation color that I'm going to use today. So with airbrush, it's a really light application, and it's about waterproof and sweat proof. So like on weddings, this is really good. You have to actually take your time and build up this coverage. I have sped up this video a little bit because I didn't want you all here all day watching me try to apply it. But you can see like the blemishes on the side of my face, you will see them start to disappear. So it's looking like airbrush, it really can work. But we're still at the beginning. So right now you see me just kind of concentrating on some of my blemishes that I have. And then just working the foundation all around my face. Now, I will admit that I did miss a spot around my chin. Once I was done with this video and I looked at the lighting, I said, oh my goodness, I missed a spot. So just forgive me. So getting around my chin, jaw, around my neck, getting those little spots on my forehead. You guys, let me tell you, I am really enjoying doing these tutorials with you guys. But it is a challenge to do this in front of this mirror that I have, as well as try not to block you all out the camera. So please forgive me if I block some good shots here. So as I'm laying the foundation down, I want the foundation and the concealer to blend. So you'll see me from, time to time using the airbrush machine as well as my brush just to kind of pat everything so it'll all just be cohesive. So next, we're going to work on the contour. Now the contour is definitely darker than the foundation. And I'm just testing the color out on a paper towel, and you should always have a paper towel just to make sure you have color pulling out because you really can't see it. Uh-oh. My machine kind of unplugged the holes there. It's just a light contour. And I'm making sure that I get very close to my hairline. Again, using that brush to make everything just kind of melt together. Getting the hairline. Yeah, I told you all, I tried a lace front on for a couple of days, and it actually left a scar on my forehead. So when I contour, that's going to have that lace front scar. get that 5-head shade down. So right now I'm just doing like a natural contour on the eyes, and then I'm going to bring this down my nose. At least that's what I thought I was about to do. I'm getting ready to do it. So when you see me around my eyes, that's me just doing a natural contour around my eyes and bringing it to my nose. Right now I'm just kind of around my neck area. There we go. That's the eye contour. So I kind of swept it from out to in and down the nose. Trying to make my double chin disappear. Excuse me. And getting around my ears really good. So here is the highlight. Now this highlight, it makes the foundation look kind of luminous where I'm placing this. And I like that because it gives you like a little natural looking glow. It's very, very light. But if you have like a Brad Turner face, it just looks so smooth and supple. I had a little bit in my eyebrow, so I had to kind of wipe that off. So this just makes it look like, oh, your skin is just perfect. It just shines in the right place. You see that highlight down my nose? All right, the last part of this is the blush. Now I'm testing that color out first. See me building up on the cheek between that contour and that highlight. Yes, ma'am. All I'm needing is some eyeshadow and some lashes on to complete this look. So if I had to say, I would say that, of course, foundation, well, airbrush foundation. The airbrush machine works. I love it. You let me know what you think. Have you ever tried to do airbrush makeup on yourself? Have you ever had it done? Let me know what you think. All right, comment below. I will see you tomorrow for the next quarantine tutorial. All right, bye.